S-Pro Series Dual Beam Common Rail Fiber Laser Cutting Machine, ultra-large format model, empowering global high-end processing. Dual beam design with 2 cutting heads working in sync doubles productivity. It is equipped with Han's self-developed intelligent CNC system, which has a built-in 10 kilowatts plus cutting expert process, database for one-click parameter call to accurately match different processing scenarios. Real segmented bed plus independent rack transmission ensures stable support for over 60 kilowatts ultra-high power. Han's self-developed oscillating head structure is responsive and supports integrated straight cutting and bevel cutting. With core technologies such as bevel-following algorithm and bevel-tool-compensation algorithm, one-pass forming meets complex bevel processing requirements. Extra-large flow worktable plus independent foot supports. Sturdy support for ultra-thick plates. Smoother processing. S-Pro, from thin plates to thick plates, from straight cutting to bevel cutting, a one-stop solution for diverse processing needs.